Citimark Properties is a family-based property development and investment company that was originally founded by myself and my father in the 80s and specialises in the residential sector and across the industrial, commercial and retail sectors. Citimark has been responsible for a number of iconic and design-led projects. Citimark's Properties' current development pipeline across the residential and retail sectors is in the order of $1.5 billion.
The Gold Coast is a magic place. It is the premier beachside location in Australia. The Gold Coast has been the fastest growing city in Australia for the last 15 years.
We've been investing on the Gold Coast since the late 1980s. Robert and I both owned houses on the Gold Coast. We've owned property down there for the last 20 or 30 years. We've identified that there's a significant undersupply and that the Gold Coast is a more stable, diverse economy at the beginning of a significant cyclical upswing. Citimark's identified that the number one location, the prime suburb on the Gold Coast, and an international brand is Surfers Paradise. That's where we're directing our investment. That's where we think the opportunity is for our clients and our potential clients and the investors. Surfers Paradise, without a shadow of doubt, is the number one tourist destination in Australia.
The Gold Coast has something for everyone. First up, the outdoor lifestyle, 60 kilometres of beach and 25 minutes drive to the hinterland. Education, 3 top university and secondary schools are top class in this state. And job growth. Now, population increase minimum is 20,000 a year. For me personally, I favour homegrown investors because they understand the market and they're here for long term. My trust in the benchmark that will be set, you'll look back, it'll be by the local developers.
The key economic indicators in influencing us to invest on the Gold Coast were the strength and the growth within the health and education industries, the significant impact of private and public infrastructure projects, including the Commonwealth Games and the light rail.
This has led to a lot of shared employment opportunities between the two cities that make both Brisbane and the Gold Coast an ultra city.